Understanding the idiom, biting the dust. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English idiom, biting the dust. This phrase is commonly used in various contexts, and understanding it can add a colorful touch to your English conversations. Let's dive in and discover what this idiom means and how you can use it effectively. In this section, we'll explore the historical background of the phrase, biting the dust. The idiom dates back to ancient times and has been used in various cultures. Its vivid imagery and metaphorical meaning have made it a popular expression in literature and everyday speech. We'll look at some historical references that have contributed to its popular usage. Here, we'll delve into the core meaning of the idiom. Biting the dust generally refers to a failure or downfall. It often implies a dramatic or significant defeat, such as a competitor losing in a sports event or a plan not working out. We'll examine how this phrase is often used metaphorically to describe different situations of failure or defeat. In this part of the video, we will provide real-life examples to show how biting the dust is used in various contexts. We'll include examples from movies, literature, and everyday conversations. Understanding how the phrase is used in different scenarios will help you grasp its nuances and use it correctly in your own conversations. This section will highlight some common mistakes learners make when using this idiom. We'll clarify confusions and provide tips on avoiding these errors. Understanding these common pitfalls will help you use biting the dust more accurately and confidently. To enhance your vocabulary, we'll explore synonyms and expressions related to biting the dust. Learning these related phrases will not only broaden your understanding of the idiom but also enrich your overall language skills, allowing you to express similar ideas in different ways. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of biting the dust. Remember, idioms like this add flavor to a language and can make your conversations more engaging and expressive. Keep practicing, and don't forget to use this idiom in your English conversations. See you in our next video.